welcome. This is a video on how to find key features for a graph from absolute value. One of the things to keep in mind is that if your graph goes all the way to the edge of the graph, even if it doesn't show it, it's a good idea to draw those arrows so that you realize that this does continue. And so this continues in both of these directions here. So the domain, it goes out forever to the left, negative infinity, goes out forever to the right, positive infinity. Remember that these are x values, that your domain are the x values. The range, it goes as low as -2. But it includes a bracket there because that is a value that it is part of that graph. This point right here is the point 3, -2. And that y value is part of the graph. And so it's included. And that's what that means. It goes, however, as high as you can think. So this goes up towards positive infinity. And that would be the range. Direction, meaning which way does this open? I was thinking about this earlier. If you think about it, it's kind of like a book. And if you open the book and it opens up like this, then we would say that it opens up. Well, that's what's happening here. This opens up. Vertex is this point right here, which I think we already said. This is the point 3, -2. Its x value is 3, its y value is -2. So the vertex, 3, -2. Now, increasing and decreasing are measured from left to right. And so its increasing is going up. So it's going up from this point, clear on up towards that value there. And so I like to kind of think about it this way. Draw it up, either up or down. I like up because it's open up here. This x value here is 3. And this x value off here to the right, because of the arrow, this continues towards the right, which means it continues towards positive infinity. And this is where this thing is increasing. Decreasing, we use green. This, as you move from left to right, it's going down. And because it's going down, we say that this is decreasing. And on the left, this goes towards negative infinity. Again, these are x values. This is x, this is x, this is x. And so increasing, this is decreasing. Decreasing. And so we would just read it from the graph. It's decreasing from negative infinity until you get to 3. And it's increasing from 3 towards positive infinity. And the least value always goes to the left. If you just read it from left to right, if you read it in this direction, then you should be set. All right, you got this. Study hard.